Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. I hope everybody has had a good start of their week so far and continue to have a good week. Today we are going to do our very low stuffing of our sinking funds and then stuffing some of our savings challenges. So oh boy, trying to knock stuff over here. Start with our high priority. And again, empty, because I swear every time I get it filled up a little bit and then I come back recording, it's empty again. I had a leak from where they were supposed, like at a weld point in the trunk of my truck, and it was just leaking all over the inside of my truck. So had to get that fixed. So it's gonna get $5. But that's what the money's here for. Just gotta start it over. Our savings is going to also get $5. Everything's getting $5. Just a fair warning, I guess. Nope, not 10. Just 5. Our emergency fund is getting $5. Our gifts that we're starting over, $5. And future house will get $5. Which so far we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So I think when we hit 100 on this, I'll do the little dice game and put it in our home binder for our future home. Babies is getting $5. Our wedding fund, also $5. No new car. No debt right now. I paid that. That's not anything. That's not. So that's our high priority. And our low. Our tattoo fund. Getting a $5. Nothing from memberships yet. Our puppers is empty because my little old lady dog had to go to the vet for her shots. And then I did like blood work on her to make sure, since she's almost 12, to make sure she's all good. Nothing for clothes. Our travel is getting $5. Tax refund is not getting anything. No medical, no month ahead this time. We'll do our F-Boy Tears one first. So let me get to my challenge page. Alright. Let's do green. Today we are doing 5, which I added. So I'm going to end up with more than what she made this challenge for, because like I want to fill all of them, whether that's what you're supposed to or not. So I kind of added my own stuff. So we're gonna do a 5, which is one that I made. But that's all right. More savings is more savings. So we got a 5. It won't be a lot more. I think because the challenge itself, I think, is 150, and I think adding those in made it like 170 something maybe. But there's that one. And then we get our binder for our 52 week, which we are getting so close to finishing. We are doing numbers 40 and 41 for a total of 81. So we have 41. I wanted to do 3 numbers this week, but with my check being as small as it was, I just couldn't afford to. That's alright. So let's mark our days off, because I kind of pre-planned my numbers, so we're done with the February 2nd check. And unless I end up with extra and pull 3 numbers here and here, then by the end of March, we will officially be done with that challenge and send all of the money to pay off debt. So we need 81. So 50, 70, 81. One day I'll be able to do a challenge and use it for something fun or just throw it straight into savings, but right now we just got to keep chugging along on our debt to be able to make that dream happen. Because I've been trying to get side jobs. Can't do DoorDash in this area, Uber Eats. I think I tried Spark. All that stuff is overpopulated in our area, so they just won't let me do it. That's alright, I'll figure something out eventually. But until then, just chug along with what I'm doing. Our puzzle piece is getting 15. So we're going to do this 15 over here. I was hoping to have this done close to when I had the 52 week challenge done, because then that would be $2,000 together. But we'll see how my checks look. 15. So we got 10. Give me 15. But it might work. Oh, forgot to put my paper in there. But we've been doing this one since July. Just a little at a time. That's that. Now we have our monthly challenge. So for February, we are doing 5 and a 10. So let's do I want to make this blue. We're going to do our little ice cube here. For our 5. And then let's do this coffee cup here for our 10. there is our 15 for February. I like this little monthly one. And now we have our 100 envelope challenge. And that's my tracker. So whenever this actually gets finished, there is going to be more money than what the 100 envelope challenge does, which I think is like $5,050, I believe, because my boyfriend's also doing it, and we're just shoving them into the same envelopes. But today, I'm trying to get the envelopes to cooperate with me. We're stuffing number 5. He actually got me this for Christmas off of Amazon. I like the container and everything versus, I mean, I like the binders, but I just like the container. Put that. So I think now, because I think I counted it the other day, he's farther ahead than I am. Well, I have more filled, but he did higher ones at first. I think I meant like $50 or $60 altogether. But we'll get there. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. If you are, make sure you hit that bell and have it turned on so you know when I upload. Comment down below, like the video, and share it with your friends and your family. I will see you next time. Bye.